Hi everyone, today we're going to go through how to create and send a quote from the Xero mobile phone app. So once we've logged in, we're on our dashboard, we can click on the blue plus symbol to the top right hand corner, and then we can click on create quote, which is second from the top. So from here in who is it for, you would start typing up your your client's name. Once you find them, just click on them. It'll automatically date it as today. You can change that by clicking on data today. It'll take you to a calendar. You can select any date you wish. When does it expire? You can flick through and select a date. It is a good idea to put an expiry date on quotes just to make sure people don't accept a quote from, say, a year ago. You might have had a price increase since then. Then you can choose whether it's going to be tax inclusive, exclusive, or no tax. Then you would add an item. So if on your computer you've already loaded products and services, you can click there and start searching for them. If you haven't, you just click add item, enter a new description, and you can type whatever you'd want in there. Say white t-shirts, done. Then you can check that the account's the right one. You can select a region if necessary. You can change the GST again. You can put in a quantity and a price there. So once you're happy with that, click done. You can see the total there at the bottom, and you can click save. Now, if you just click save from here, it'll save it as a draft. If you click send, it will save it and send it to your contact as well. So let's just click send. It'll pull up the email ready to go to my contact, and then you'd click send again at the top. So that's it. If we then go into sales, you can see the quote that we've created and sent, and you can also edit it there as well if you realize you've made a mistake. But that's it. That is how to create and send new quotes from the Xero mobile app. Thanks for watching.